Hey guys, welcome back to Unbox and Review with Milton Spotzero. So today I have a new product unboxing, which is actually a spin mop. It is from Milton and it's called Spotzero. So let's unbox and see what comes inside the box. I got it from Amazon. So the cost was 1,300 rupees. There were two choices for me. One was Scotch-Brite and another was this one. Scotch-Brite was quite inexpensive by 200 rupees compared to this. But the quality of Scotch-Brite was not good enough. So that's what I could make out from the photos. But this one looked very good. Okay, let's unbox and see it. It has got a 75,000 4+ rating. And I also felt it's of a good quality. So you can see the spin mop is here. There are two mops, and this also comes inside the box, which is the stick for the mop. Okay, so these are all mechanically operated. Let me unbox it clearly and try to assemble it in the video. Okay, so this is how you connect and make it a single piece. Okay, now it is secured and tight. So this end the mop will go. Okay, let's first take everything out. So there is a small soap or liquid dispenser, okay, which will go here, and the mop, the spare mop, and this is where the mop get fixed to the rod and also the mop. Instruction manual. So this is the spinner, which actually rinses the mop mechanically, and it's made out of steel. Let me take it out. Okay. It comes with a handle as well to carry it easily around, and it also comes with some kind of towing thing. So you need to put this, and you can tow it around your house because it also comes with wheels here at the back. So to be honest, it's a great product. It also comes with a drain plug here. You unplug and all the water inside will drain easily. So you don't need to flip the entire tank over, okay? So let me assemble the mop to the rod and we will come back shortly. Okay. So it's a plug and play. You just keep the mop and the mop holder and keep on pressing it, okay? So do it all around the mop so that it is secured in place nicely. Okay. Now it is set. So let me explain how it works. You fill this area with water. Inside the mop you can see there is some kind of a threading here, okay? This actually matches with the thread of this. So let me show you how you can make it mechanically work. For that you have to unhook this latch. Then you have to fill in the water here and also the soap as much you require. And there is a sharp point over here. You need to place the center of the mop there and just press it. You pull it backwards, you press it. So that's how the mechanical mop works. So once you have rinsed it inside, let's dry the mop up using this area. Okay. When it is wet, all the mop will actually go inside. So do the same thing, press, release, press and release, press and release. So now the mop should get dried out and you can use it on the floor. So once it is dry, you tighten the latch so that it does not go inside. And also there is a mechanism here. So now it is straight, right? You can hold this and you can bend it a little bit so you can reach the tight areas. Now you can see the angle is pretty much 180 degrees from straight 90 degrees. So that's how you can use this Milton mop. And that's it for today's video. Please do subscribe for interesting content like this. Until next time, see you soon. Bye.